channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we're going to play a fun game of miniature golf. So we have 3 courses that we have designed. We're going to use household items. So make sure you guys stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Alright, so ladies and gents, today I created my own golf club. So what I used is a pool noodle, some cardboard box. If you look inside, there's a spatula with some tape. And that is how I'm going to use my golf club. Now, if you guys have never golfed before, you always want to have your dominant hand underneath, your non-dominant hand up top, kind of similar to how you're holding the hockey stick. You guys are going to slightly bend your knees. You're going to swing your arm back, and then forward motion, letting go into your non-dominant hand. So stay tuned, and we'll do a couple rounds of our golf course. All right, so level 1 is a quick little straight shot. There are no obstacles. It's going to go directly, and you're going to try to land it in between the doll's legs at the end. So I'm going to give it a shot, so stay tuned. All right, here we go. Level 1, my first stroke. Number 2. There you go. Third time's the charm.